Ya, ini perjalanan dengan kita. Explore kampung halaman yang kita sendiri nggak ngerti kampung halaman. Good morning from Blitar. Well, morning activities, workout. Then, of course, the breakfast. Here it is. It's the bone rice, jackfruit, some tempeh, and crackers that maybe you only can find it in my hometown. So it's exploring time, one day trip, just me and my cousin, just two of us riding motorcycle. We tried to find a waterfall close by. That's the biggest one. No, well, let's say it's bigger compared to the Sirakencong waterfall. And it's, let's say, on the road less travel. Not many people go to this place. And actually it's for free. But the roads are still, well, not maintained. Well, we stopped a couple times to ask some direction to the locals about this waterfall, and by that we know the name of this waterfall called Lawean. So look at this awesome road, you know. So I had to walk a little bit here and there, hop off the motorcycle, because I don't want to make the motorcycle broke down in the middle of nowhere. Akhirnya sampai juga setelah hujan-hujanan. Let's go over there. So this area is still pristine basically because no one's there, just me and my cousins. No entry tickets, nothing. So we can just park our motorcycle anywhere we want it. So yeah, and of course we need to be more careful because of this situation of the tracks is not really well, especially after the rain. It get a bit slippery. Here we are at the Lawean Waterfall in the rain. Ooh, it's freezing.